Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the auto detect language feature in your videos and meetings on Loom. So let us get started. Now you can do this through the Loom application here in the web application, web version of Loom. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and here on the left sidebar guys in Loom you want to click into personal settings. Here in your personal settings, navigate from my account to meeting recordings, and here guys what you want to do is scroll down, and here under language settings make sure that you enable auto detect language. Now you can also set a default language if you like, and apply this language from that list here. Choose one and apply it to your meetings, or you may go with auto detect so that Loom may detect the language used or spoken in your meetings and conferences and videos automatically guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.